I'm John Stanaland. I'm here at my new listing at 118 Via San Sebastian in San Clemente. Very excited to show you this home. It's a 5-bedroom, 6-bath home on a 13,000 square foot lot. Very high-end, very well done, close to beaches, shops, schools. Let's take a look. The home is tastefully designed around a spacious courtyard intended to bring natural light throughout the home. Enjoy the high ceilings, quartz countertops, stainless steel Wolf appliances, wide plank oak flooring, and professionally designed backyard containing water features, an elevated pool deck with fireplace, spa, and wide swimming pool. The 5 bedrooms and 6 baths, there's no shortage of space in this masterpiece of a home. At the end of a cul-de-sac, you'll find beautiful hiking trails down towards San Clemente's North Beach. In addition to the hiking trails, there's an association pool, spa, and gym. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I greatly look forward to seeing you at our next listing. Thank you, and have a great day, everybody.